Once you've run the installer for your ClickerPad voting software, you'll find an extra menu within PowerPoint, which is called add-ins. And under that, you'll find the ClickerPad menu. And if you had any other PowerPoint add-ins installed, they'll appear under that same menu. But we're going to focus on the ClickerPad menu, and we're going to have a look at how you activate your license for the voting software. So the name of the voting software itself is actually ppvote, and it's written specifically for use with ClickerPad keypads. And what we're going to do is go down to About and then click on Register. This will show you your current license status. So as you can see here, I don't have an active license. I am currently unregistered and my support has expired. And although I can use the software, I'm locked down to just 3 keypads. So effectively what we've got here is an evaluation version. That's what everybody gets when they first install. So what we need to do is click on Retrieve License and type in your email address and then your license key. If you're activating on lots of computers, this isn't linked to the email address of the person that ordered the software, for example. This is just so that we can see who's active on that license. So you can each use your own. So I'm going to register this one as support@clickerpad.com, which is also the email address you'll need if you have any problems activating this license. So that's support@clickerpad.com. And then you just paste in the license key that will have been sent to you by email. If you don't know your license key, again, get in touch with the support address and we can help you with that. So once you've got your own email address and your license key here, you just click on Online License and say, yes, we do want to download the license file. And this will now update, so it gives you some checks. Mine is a temporary license. If you've bought the system, yours should not be a temporary license, it should be a permanent one. But this is telling me that this license is going to expire on the 31st of October 2022, and it's asking me to just check that that's valid, because if I had an event happening in November that I thought I was using this software for, I'm going to run into a problem. So we just say yes at this point, and you can see that all of the information here has now updated. So key things: who is the license owner? What's the license key? Now that's the information that we've just added, and this should be your company name or organisation name. The type of license, mine is a base license. That means I can put this on as many computers as I like, and it will link to the base station serial numbers that are listed here. So I'm just having a look on the back of my receiver, and I can see that that is the serial number that's on the sticker on the back of that receiver. So this is only the receiver that connects via USB. This is not the serial numbers of your individual keypads. So if you've got 3 or 4 systems, you will see 3 or 4 different serial numbers here. I've got one system, so I'm just seeing one serial number. So my software is going to expire, which I've already explained, but there's a second date here. So if you've got a current maintenance agreement that is in date, you will see the expiry date here. So you can diarise for when you need to think about whether or not to renew that. In my case, it's already expired, so that's in red. So the maintenance has run out. That's not a problem. You don't have to have a maintenance agreement in order to use your keypads. You do if you want to use online voting using people's smartphones and things. If you've got queries about that, again, get in touch with support@clickerpad.com and we can explain. Here, I'm locked down to 50 keypads. So if I needed to use 100 keypads, again, I'd have to contact support and get this increased. What you'll likely see on your one is that this is set to being unlimited, so not a problem from that point of view. So do let us know if the keypad limit is an issue. And we'll also see which software type we've got. So I've got Essential, which just does the basics. Again, if you're not sure about the different versions, get in touch and we can help you with that. But that is all now activated and ready to go, so I can just hit close.